Hello everyone, in this video we are going to set up the theme for your WordPress starter site, and because this is an Elementor site we're going to be using an Elementor theme. And so I'm going to go to our WP-admin area and we're going to do a separate, and we're going to log in, and I'm going to do a separate video. I'm going to do a separate video on just the difference between themes and plugins, but we're going to just set up the Hello Elementor theme. And so once you're in the admin area and you've logged in, you can go to Appearance, Themes, and you can search for a new theme. So what I want to do is I want to show you that the concept of how this works. So themes are like the look and feel of a website. They don't do they do a little bit of functionality depending on how the theme is set up. So you could set up like some themes have a different amount of headers or a different amount of nav bars, or they have other settings or whatever. So, but for the most part, you can think of a theme as the ability to change the look and feel of the website. So it's kind of not exactly true, but it will work, at least for a general understanding. So if I look at the home page, we see how it looks. So let's change the theme and then see how that looks again. So once I'm here in the admin area, I go to Appearance, Themes, and then Add New Theme. And then, well, Hello Elementor is right here, but if you want to search, you can do Hello, or you can search Hello. I'm actually surprised it's not the first one. Maybe if I type in Elementor. Okay, that's kind of frustrating. Let's say hello space Elementor. Okay, that's what we want. So we want the Hello Elementor theme. You don't even really have to search, most likely. So I'm going to hit install. And then we're going to activate. Okay, so now we can see in the themes, it used to we have the 2024 active, but now we can see active is Hello Elementor. So now let's go back to our website and let's refresh. Now we can see our website looks different. That's because we have a different theme installed and activated, and this is the design of the current theme that we're using. And because it's different, the design is going to be different. So we have the Hello Elementor theme installed, and I think that should be good for this video. Actually, while we're here, let's delete the other themes that are not Hello Elementor. And so we want to at least have one. So I'm going to keep 2024. I'm going to delete 2023 and 2022 just to reduce the amount of code on the server. So I'm going to click it and delete 2022. Okay. And there we go. And the reason we want to keep one is because occasionally you'll end up having to troubleshoot the WordPress website if there's any issues. And one of the steps in troubleshooting is to make sure that the theme is not the problem. So if you are to troubleshoot, you're going to activate the 2024 temporarily and see if the problem still persists. If it does, then you know Hello Elementor is the problem. And we need a theme to be able to turn off Hello Elementor to test to make sure it's not the problem. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos and articles dedicated to helping you build an amazing website without writing code. We also cover topics like SEO and growing your business. Click the bell to be notified about our latest videos, and let us know what you thought by liking the video and leaving a comment. Finally, check out our website in the description to see our latest products and services we offer and how we can help you accomplish your goals.